the gate.
Here we are walking. We're trying to figure out if we want to walk. We got blocked by a gate. And it's adding miles to our waterfall mission. You little bugger. We found our...
Hey, careful with the stinging nettles.
Oh gosh. Stinging nettles and mud.
Those will, you'll feel it.
Oh boy.
Not to your pants, but your legs. Bree's wearing shorts and I'm wearing shorts.
Freaking awesome. Don't touch anything!
It will sting. What? Just don't touch it.
Let's go.
Leaves that sting.
I better turn my phone off and put it in my pocket. Gotta find this freaking waterfall. This was a weird hike. This is the first time that my all trails has been completely wrong. And we ended up using Google Maps. Thank goodness I have a signal. Almost there, we can hear it. Yeah, so far this is the waterfall.
Waterfalls. Ladies and gentlemen.
Ta-da! Muck boots.
Oh, I hear the falls. Why are you going that way?
I don't know why you're not going this way.
I see somebody lost a shoe.
Maybe that's that other shoe that's up top. It's a gray?
It's a white croc.
There's a purple croc by the truck.
Daddy had balance.
No. Are we there yet?
I wish. Why?
He says I walk fast.
You do walk fast.
Cayden, do I walk fast?
No.
Thank you.
I have a tough time keeping up to you.
Extremely fast.